You don't need to be the fastest, the smartest, or the most talented to win. What you need is to show up every single day. When it's raining, when you're tired, when no one is watching. Because while others wait for perfect moments, you are building your future one small step at a time. The truth is, motivation fades. Some days you'll wake up feeling unstoppable. Other days you'll feel like giving up. That's normal. But what separates the dreamers from the doers is consistency. It's not about massive leaps every day. It's about small, steady steps, little actions that feel invisible at first but stack up over time. Success isn't sudden. It's a quiet buildup of choices you make every single day. Think about this. A tree doesn't grow overnight. It grows because of daily sunlight, daily water, daily care. Your goals are the same. People might not notice your progress in the beginning. They might doubt you, or even laugh at your pace, but keep going, because soon they'll ask how you did it, and your answer will be simple. I never stopped. Consistency is silent, but its results, they make the loudest noise. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being persistent. Keep showing up for your goals, for your dreams, for yourself. Your future self is counting on you, and trust me, they will thank you for not giving up today. Stay consistent. Keep moving forward. Greatness is built in the quiet moments when no one is watching.